champagne out the bottle with a model on some regular shit. Nigga thought he had a dime till he seen my bitch. I be chillin' on the north for some players and shit. I bet she never seen a plan like this.
Yelling fuck a rat, I got some cheddar to get. Yeah, she came in my range, but she left in the lift. We know where you niggas.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Slaying with Chevy, and today I have some goodies. I'm so excited to share with you guys because honestly, listen, I have wanted to try, like, literally today, me and my best friends were in the mall, and I was like, you know what, I really wish there was a store here that had like international snacks, like from all over the place, because I was just on Instagram and I was following, oh, my phone's there, I think it's called, like, I'm gonna write it in below because I can't think of it and I don't want to mispronounce it, but it's like an Instagram page and they show like all these different international snacks that they came across, and I think they have stores like set up all around. But sorry, I don't mean to keep fooling with my hair, but yeah, so I was just like really excited about that. I was like, once I found the Instagram page, I was sorry, my fucking brain's going a mile a minute. I need to catch up. Basically, I really wanted to try these international snacks, and luckily I was at my local mall and they have a store that has Korean snacks. I'm gonna show you guys my first. Oh, these are garlic shrimp flavored Doritos. Ooh, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Like, this is crazy. Then I got this big roll. It's grilled seaweed, and it's the spicy flavor, because I like everything spicy. Then I got this soda. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I'm going to put it in the fridge, and then I'm going to come back and record it when it's cold, because I like my drinks cold, and I don't want to, like, taste it all warm, and then it's, like, doesn't give me the right feeling, you know? But this is leche carbonated soft drink, so it's leche soda, and I don't know, I can't remember if I tasted anything leche flavored. And then these came, okay, you get these 3 things in this bag complimentary to your first order. So these are, she said, some Korean crackers or cookies. This is a motherfucking Korean face mask. Y'all know I'm excited because I heard their skincare products be bomb, so I'm excited for that. It's called Nature Republic Aloe Real Nature Mask Sheet. I'm gonna put this on right before I go to Miami. And then I got some hand sanitizer gel. I'm gonna put that right in my carry-on. Okay. So okay, I'm back. I had to take the glasses off. They were giving a glare. All right. Oh my gosh. It's kind of like a hard plastic. That would be struggling. Oh my God. It smells like seafood. I mean, obviously that's what I want, but okay, fudge. Took everything out of me. It smells like seafood. I don't know why I'm feeling like off about this, even though I picked these. Okay. So, 1, if these was hot, they would slap. 2, they taste like fresh shrimp. But when you first, don't put no season on it or nothing, it gives that very organic shrimp taste, like very fresh, very clean shrimp. And then you taste the garlic, obviously. That's where all the little seasonings come from. Yeah, I can do these. Definitely probably will give you hot breath, so just want to let y'all know that, just in case y'all around people and y'all pop one of these open. It's giving very much someone's fishy. So yeah, but they're not bad. I rate these a 6.5 or a 7. Only because I know that I like them just because it's something new. But would I buy it again? Probably not. And is this something I would crave? Probably not. not bad. I'm gonna give it a 7. That's my final answer. I think it's just me smelling them that's making me like, Siobhan, what are you eating? But I like it though. But it's just that initial smell. Okay. We'll open up the grilled seaweed roll. Okay. Here it is. Oh, do I just eat it? I was gonna unwrap it, but that would be kind of messy, right? Okay, let's just put this back in here. Take a big bite. Spicy. Yeah. It's definitely got a kick to it. It's good. I don't like how I have to just bite into it. I'd rather have sheets of it. It's like when I bite into it, all that seasoning comes through my nostrils. I like it. I know on my face it probably looks like I don't like it, but I like it. Would I get this again? No, I think I like regular seaweed. Cause it's spicy, but it has kind of like a sweet taste to it too, and that's kind of throwing me off. Rather like if I get like teriyaki seaweed or like I forgot the other flavors my friends be getting. I think it's wasabi. I'm not for sure, but that's pretty good. But this is pretty good. I'll give it a 6.5. 6.5, 7. I hope I like this drink. I want to put it all in my mouth, but I know it's really hot. Alright. I know I should probably taste these Korean cookies, but I don't want to taste them just yet. I need something to clean the palate. I need water. I know I have seaweed in my teeth. I gotta get all that flavor out. All right. You know what I should have got? Some yin yans. I know those bussin'. All right, this is the cookie. You can't see, but there's like little sugar crystals on it. This is good. This is good. This gets a 9. I'll eat those more later. All right, and then I'll come back with the drink for you guys. If y'all don't know, I've really been chowing down on these crackers. Remember how I told y'all was good? I ate a lot of them. They're really good. They're like sweet. They taste like Lenora Doone. Yeah, they taste like shortbread cookies with sugar on them. So Lenora Doone. I don't know how to open this. I'm tired. Fake tried to read the instructions before I got on camera, but we're just gonna experience this all together. There's a there's like, y'all see that? That looks like a bottle. Wait, I need the instructions. Okay. Remove the film. Take the plastic. cap off. Okay. Place the opener at the top of the bottle and then press down with your palm. Hold on. I gotta come back, y'all, because this, I can't struggle for this many minutes. Place the opener. It's saying some opener, but I don't know what they mean. Like, I feel like this is the opener. If I press down, the marble will be dropped. And keep pressing for 5 seconds until the liquid comes out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all, I'm in shambles. I can't even open this drink and I want it so bad. Like, this probably carbonizes it. Like, probably carbonates it, I mean. Y'all, I'm going to ask my mom. So the opener, what they was talking about was, in this cap, you take this off. This little thing. So that's what I did. The next instruction says, now you put the opener, so place the opener at the top of the bottle and press down with your palm. Oh, shit. Okay. So the marble is in my drink. So I guess the marble is supposed to carbonate it. This is good. This would taste better with a little bit of like lemon or lime juice or even strawberry. Leche, I can't describe the taste of it. Like, it's not sweet, but it's also not as tart as I thought it was gonna be. How people be drinking out this little tiny hole? I don't know. But it's good. This is going to get a 9 out of 10 too. So I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. Those crackers, I was demolishing, a 10 out of 10. I said they were a 9, but I'm going to give them a 10 out of 10. Seaweed. I think I said that was a 6 or something like that. And this was a 7 out of 10. I think that's so cool how there's a marble in here. Like, anyways, this was kind of like a in the moment type thing. I didn't even know I was gonna find that store today. I didn't even know I was gonna make this video today. I was just like, whoa, this would be something cool to record. Like, people probably want to see this. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you if you made it this far. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you can even tell me down below, what do you want to see next on my channel. So thank you so much. Mwah!